This video is of the XCP VendaVolt electric payment system for RV parks. You're able to make payment by the hour or by the day or by the week or by the month, or a continuous roll-up by the days. I've pulled up ER147 on my cell phone as an example here for you. I'm going to press ER147. It's going to connect to the machine by Bluetooth. Now I'm able to select, by the day on this new software that we've developed. So for example, I'm running up to days, whatever number of days that I desire. Example, I just pressed 7 days. So, and I'm using a number. I'm going to go back here to the beginning, show you for the 1 day. We set it up for, as an example here, $20 per day. So I pick whatever number of days that I desire to be at the park. I'm going to be there for 5 days. That's $100. So then I make my payment. It's now collected the money for 5 days and turned on the machine. And you can see the lamp on the top is illuminated, letting the person know that they have electricity ready to go. You'll get a message back on your cell phone letting you know if it was complete and payment was made. In this case, we put a message up, transaction complete, it's only a test. Going back here to the display. So it scrolls from 1 day up to 31 days, and then it rolls over and comes back to 1 day. Customer can select payment for 1 or 2 or 3 days, and they can add a day or two or whatever number of days they want onto it any given time. It accumulates. Now, our electricity payment station will operate for 5 days, and if I needed more, I can add at any given time. This concludes our demonstration of the newest software from ClearToken and XCP. Thank you for watching this video.